Welcome. In front of me is a Tecno Spark Go, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, shine one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, let's take off our case if you have one on. And the tray will be located on the top left side of the device, where the pin is holding right now. I'm going to push it in, and as you can see, the tray comes out ever so slightly. You can grab it, yank it out, and here you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. Once you place your cards on the tray, carefully insert it back into your device. There we go. And the cards should start working right away. So we already have our SD card notification, and let's see, the reception will jump in here. Should find reception, unless we need to reboot the device. No, there we go. So it just found it. So there we go. So that is how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.